Hello folks, this is Jenny, and I'm here again to do Strange Snow in Michigan, Part 3. If either of my videos was watched before this one, you will have seen my experiment with the strange snow. And the reason I'm doing it is because of all the strange videos I've seen of people lighting the snow on fire, not really on fire, but burning the edges of the snow with either a lighter, or I saw one guy use a butane torch. And anyway, I was intrigued, and I conducted my own experiment and found similar results. So, a little while ago, I had an idea to rule out the strange smell. I decided not to light the snow on fire with a butane lighter, as you see here. This is the lighter I used in an earlier experiment. What I'd rather do now is use an unscented plain tea light candle. These are just the cheap Walmart 2 dozen for $2, I believe they are. They're totally unscented, plain candles. I'm going to light that on fire and use that to melt the snow. I want to rule out any butane smell that might be coming off of the snow from the lighter. It's a thought I had. Maybe that's what the people were smelling, which the phenomena of the snow melting is strange enough, but I wanted to rule out the smell issue. It has a real funky, like a chemical burning plastic smell when you've burnt it for a little while, so I'm going to use this. So I'm using the same bowl. It's right here, the same surface, and I'm going to go out into my back deck again. And here's my doggie. There's Millie. Hi, Millie. Say hello to everybody, Millie. Millie's out here. And we've got some light snow falling. And earlier I had gotten the snow from here on the deck. And I think what I'm going to do, just for experiment purposes, is I'm going to a different area. I'll go to a different corner here. Get the bowl full of snow. Here we go. Here's our bowl full of snow. Come back into the house. You want to go in, Mill? Set our snow down. Get our doggie. All right. Now we're going to head back in. Set our snow down. And earlier, what I had done was I had used a canister and a couple of objects here to prop up my camera, because I'm just using a little old smartphone to record all this stuff. So, we've got our snow, we've got our lighter and our candle. I'm going to light this candle on fire. Try it again here. There we go. Okay, candle's lit. Let's get a bowl, or get the ball of snow here. We'll crunch it up. Get a nice snowball here. And I'm going to set all this down for a minute and prop up the camera the best I can, very carefully, over here. Take off my jacket. And here's our new light source here is our snow. Here we go. Let's proceed to burn the snow. Now, folks, I can already tell you I can see some burning on the edge. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up the candle itself. It might be a little easier. I don't know if you can hear this. There's like a popping, crackling noise going on. We're going to try to rule out that the butane lighter is what's giving off the smell. Definitely got this dark stuff coming up on the snow again. I'm holding this right over the plate. I don't have 3 hands, so I can't show you, but there is no puddling occurring on this plate. The snow is just like evaporating. And I'm getting that funky smell. I can smell it again, and so I'm pretty sure I can at this point rule out the butane smell. Let's put this down. I want to show everyone here the smell. It's still in the air. I can smell it. So the snow is brown, dark brown, black. Very strange. And it has that chemical smell to it, kind of like a burnt plastic smell. So it is not the butane from the lighter that's causing the smell on the snow. This is an unscented candle from Walmart. I'm going to put the snow back here for a minute, back in the bowl. This is the plate I was burning. There's one little droplet there on the edge of the plate. Other than that, there's no puddling on this plate from that snowball that I was burning. So, very odd. Very strange indeed, folks. The snow just kind of evaporates. It doesn't really melt. You can see some puddling here. This is when my hands were on it and I was making a snowball. So I don't know why it would have that reaction to my skin. It does melt somewhat. If you saw my earlier video, this bowl, when I had left it here earlier, the snow just kind of evaporated. It didn't really even leave very much of a trace of puddling at all, very little. It just kind of disintegrated. The only way I can describe it. So there's the snow, the burnt snow. No puddling on the plate, and it still has that smell. That's all for now, folks. If I find out anything else on this phenomena, I will keep you posted. Have a good day.